Hi, Jim Berthold here from OLI Systems. Recently, a user asked how to get a species listing and a total number of species in our database. For all of the OLI products, OLI Studio, OLI Flowsheet, and etc., we provide a tool called the OLI Data Locator. This locator is found via the Start menu, okay, and you go through your standard Windows products, and we're going to use OLI Studio for this example. So we're going to find the OLI Studio program group, and here it is. And then we have a program called the OLI Data Locator for OLI Studio. This also exists in all the other products. So we'll go ahead and select it. It came up in my other window. So it's here. So if you've never started it before, all of these buttons will be gray because it's loading databases, but once it's ready, you can perform this listing pretty quickly. We're going to use our aqueous framework as our choice, but we have MSC and MSC SRK as well. So to generate a species listing, all you have to do is hit Find Now with a blank bar. We treat this as a wildcard, so if we go ahead and do it, it runs in a couple of seconds. And you can see that there's 5,409 species in the public data bank. This window is slightly expandable. And now if you want to save this listing, you would just go ahead and hit File and Save Results. By default, it's going to be the name of OLI species list.txt, and you can save that anywhere. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Okay. It actually appeared in my other window, and there it is. If you double click it, you get a blank delimited file with all the names in the database. It's not really well formatted here because things have different name lengths, but this is easily importable into Excel, which is a task that you can do on your own to see what we have in the database. And that's all we have for this particular video. Thank you.